Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by Mr. RABBY. In this video, I'm going to give you 50 transition sound effects for free. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, you need to download the sound effects. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. Just go to the link and download the sound effects. After downloading, you will get a RAR file. Now let's extract the file. The password is mhrabby. Now let's check out the sound effects. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.